I mean, to all Filipinos there, we can oust Bongbong Marcos. Oh, whenever it takes, whenever we want, we whether what we say about, we are anti-Marcos. Oh, here's I'm gonna say to you, Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan. Oh, please stop idolizing Martin Romualdez, Zaldico, and especially Bongbong Marcos. They are corrupt. Oh, you see what do South Koreans did? They oust Yoon Suk Yeol. They oust Park Geun Hye because of corruption. You see what did the Israelis do? Oh, they oust Benjamin Netanyahu. Oh, afterwards, Netanyahu was being impeached. Oh, this is what happened in Peru. Dina Boluarte was being impeached. She was ousted as the president of Peru. Oh, is it what you like, Danmar, to defend Bongbong Marcos and Martin Romualdez and Zaldico? Danmar Dayaw, you don't know what is corruption in the Philippines. I know I criticize Marcos Sakalam. I criticize the BBM bloggers such as Romeo TV Blog o Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga. Oh, they are praising the idiot Bongbong Marcos because they want corruption in the Philippines. As you can see, corruption of flood control, anomalies, and mostly the Nepo babies o anomalya. Puro kayong dalawang puro Marcos ang utak ninyo. Danmar and Sangkay. Oh, you don't know what is really happening in my country, in the Philippines. And here's what thing I could say. Oh, Danmar, read the historical revisionism. Oh, when I heard that from Teacher May, when I heard that from Matthew Timbal, Matthew Timbal, when he was in Ateneo, I know his school, Ateneo, it's anti-Marcos. Oh, he's anti-Marcos, because I know Matthew Timbal curses Bongbong Marcos with the F word. I checked there in the screenshot from my nephew, Miggy Labitag. Miggy Labitag says, Bongbong Marcos is really a corrupt senator in 2015. He was convicted of pork barrel scam. Oh, you don't know what is happening, Danmar Dayaw. Oh, would I ever show the screenshot from Matthew Timbal if he is anti-Marcos? And I will send it to you that why you love Bongbong Marcos? He's corrupt leader. He's a weak leader. However, Danmar, I don't know what you're doing. You're posting about against the Duterte supporters are Dilawan. They are yellow. They are activists. They are not activists. Oh, even you, Sangkay Janjan, whatever you describe, the Duterte supporters are activists and yellow or Dilawan. The Duterte supporters, they have their shown unity. Have you never heard about unity from my friend? What is unity? Unity. It's showing unity. The mother of Rodrigo Duterte, Soledad Duterte, was anti-Marcos. You don't know what is really happened, Danmar and Sangkay. You see, it is really happened. No, I criticize those BBM supporters. They said Sara Duterte magnanakaw. She's not really thief. The real real magnanakaw anyway, or real robbery, is Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and his son, Bongbong Marcos. Bongbong Marcos is a truly thief. Bongbong Marcos is a pedophile and robbery. Oh, you don't know what is really happening in the Philippines? Oh, flood control? If both of you, Danmar Dayaw, and especially Sangkay Janjan, I will put both of you in my enemy list together with Teacher Evelyn Caca, Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mil Canete, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Teacher May Tiburcio, and even Nino Barsaga, and including Romeo TV Vlog, and Tata Emenilao. Oh, yeah, I'll put both of you in my enemy list. Oh, Danmar, Dayaw, and Sangkay Janjan. Wag na kayo puro Marcos. And Danmar Dayaw, I may remind to you, change your profile pic, bring Rodrigo Duterte home. Don't post about bagong Pilipinas. It's really corrupt. Bongbong Marcos is corrupt, Danmar. My parents are anti-Marcos. Oh, for example, Tatay Delpin, the mother of Ate Mirasol, anti-Marcos. Ate Mirasol Siaco, anti-Marcos. Paulo Siaco, anti-Marcos. They are all anti-Marcos. There are lots of anti-Marcos anywhere. You remember Matthew Timbal, Ate Melis Torque, anti-Marcos. Even my Muslim friend in TikTok follower who's Duterte supporter, Menchi or Sunshine, she's anti-Marcos. Her voice is like Mommy Ellen. She is anti-Marcos. There's not of anti-Marcos. Even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, even Teacher Kel, they are anti-Marcos, Danmar. Me, I am anti-Marcos because I am a victim of Bongbong Marcos martial law. I'm a victim of Bongbong Marcos corruption and plunder. Victim. You know, Danmar, when I just went home in Caloocan, before that, after I came back in the Klook events, I saw those people, they're chanting at some protesters. Kiko Barsago was present there. I saw those people, they say, Marcos resign. Even myself, and I said, you say Marcos resign, Marcos resign. Danmar.